He dashed to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. Back. She dashed her homework before dinner yesterday.
A. Finishes.
B. Finished. C. Has finished. The sun dashed in the east. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Rising. Adash Karachi che per 2018. Hum are living. Hum live. Hum have been living. I will call you when she dash back. A. Comes. B. Will come. C. Came. Neither Ali nor his friends dash interested in the show. A is. B. R. C. Was. Each of the boys dash a bicycle. A. Have. B. Has. C. Are having. Some coffee. A. Would. B. Do. C. Are. She is dash honest girl. A. D. N. C. The. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. A. B. N. C. The. The synonym of rapid is A. Slow. B. Fast. C. Calm. The synonym of vital is A. Deadly. B. Unnecessary. C. Important. The synonym of fragile is A. Strong. B. Weak. C. Breakable. The synonym of reluctant is A. Eager, B. Unwilling, C. Happy. The synonym of brief is A. Short, B. Long, C. Deep. The antonym of accept is A. Admit, B. Refuse, C. Agree. The antonym of ancient is A. Modern, B. Old, C. Outdated. The antonym of dangerous is A. Scary, B. Risky, C. Safe. The antonym of victory is A. Success, B. Defeat, C. Attack. The antonym of expand is A. Contract, B. Grow, C. Widen. He go to market every day. Correct? B. Incorrect. She don't like tea. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. He has went to the library. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. The books is on the table. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. I'd say it's some high goreng under. I dash rich. I will help the poor. A. Am. B. Were. C. Be. He speaks English. Dash. A. Good. B. Well. C. Best. She dashed me to bring the book. A, told. B, said. C, says.
They dash finished their homework before sunset. A, has. B, had. C, have.
Dash, it was raining. We went out. A, although. B, because. C, since. He kicked the bucket. A, he broke the bucket. B, he died. C, he got angry. She is under the weather. A, she is feeling ill. B, she is standing in rain. C, she is tired of summer. He spilled the beans. A, he wasted food. B, he revealed a secret. C, he planted seeds. The ball is in your court. A, you have the responsibility now. B, you are playing football. C, the decision is not yours. Don't cry over spilt milk. A, don't waste food. B, don't worry about past mistakes. C, don't shout at children. Choose the correct sentence. A, I has a pen. B, I have a pen. C, I having a pen. Choose the correct sentence. A, they enjoys football. B, they enjoy football. C, they is enjoying football. Choose the correct sentence. A, he eat lunch every day. B, he eats lunch every day. C, he eating lunch every day. Choose the correct sentence. A, are you goes to school? B, do you go to school? C, you are going school. Choose the correct sentence. A, the books are on table. B, the books is on the table. C, the books are on the table. Logical sentence order. A. He to the store went. B. Went he store to the. C. He went to the store. Logical sentence order. A. My brother is a doctor. B. Doctor is a my brother. C. A doctor brother is my. Logical sentence order. A. I can swim. B. Swim I can. C. Can I swim? Logical sentence order. A. The dog barking is. B. The dog is barking. C. Is barking the dog. Logical sentence order. A. It's raining is. B. Is raining it. C. It is raining. He is good dash maths. A in, B at, C on. We walked dash the street. A through, B across, C above. She jumped dash the pool. A into, B in, C onto. The book is dash the bag, comma, A at, B in, C on. He said dash the chair. A in, B at, C on.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.